Good morning, beauties, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, my name is Bertha, Leonard, and this is the official Hyaluron pen channel. If you want to know anything about Hyaluron pen, then please subscribe to my channel. I promise it will be worth your subscription. Today we're doing Marionette lines and nasolabial lines, a little bit of a lift on the lips. This is old footage because we're still in lockdown, so I'm unable to round up a whole bunch of clients to work on and film for you, but I'm sure that I've covered all my ground. So let me know if you have anything to add or have any questions. I'm always only happy to help. So I'll use one ampule, so that's 0.5 ml, to this nasolabial line, this little Marionette line. I'll do over here to help push up her smile line a little bit, to lift it. And then here's two little deeper lines. So then there I'll also use that. So that should take my one ampule. And then on this side I'll use another ampule. And then I might take half of a third ampule. So that'll be 1.5 mils, just to do a little bit on the top as well. If we plump the vermilion line of her lip, automatically it'll take out all these tiny little fine lines. And that'll be better and more strategic than actually shooting each little fine line, because then my risk is to leave a little nodule. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This little one here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, like one more shot or 2 more shots left. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. So it took a little while, but now I can see where I did my previous shot in that little crease, and I'm going to just do another one next to it. 1, 2, 3. I'm using my thickest serum now. I find that one works the best for wrinkle reduction. I'm shooting it at 0.02 because my client's very natural, so we don't want any nodules. So I go right into the nasolabial line. 1, 2, 3. You're still okay? Two, 3. The lips are obviously the most sensitive. So normal with wrinkles, or nasolabial lines that are deeper, because obviously that's your deepest lines, you will do shots of 0.03. 1, 2, 3. I'm being slightly more conservative here because in 2 weeks' time I can do another session for her, and then I can use bigger shots if I feel the need. But I'd rather do that than do big shots now, and then she does have 1 or 2 little bumps that take their time to dissolve, because that could irritate a client and put her off the treatment. One, two, 3. nog nie te sien nie, dan kan ek nog hanteer. One, two, three. One, two, three. Obviously around your nose, you're always going to be a little bit more sensitive, but you have to try and get this line as it climbs up that nose, because if you can break it there, you already significantly lighten the nasolabial line. One, two, three. To where I started, over here. Just do one more in this little line. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to just do that, lift that smile line up again. So I go to just below the line, because what I want to do is just plump at the bottom to push it up a little bit and make it decrease the line in depth. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new. I hope that you enjoyed this. And oh my gosh, thank you so much to all my subscribers. You guys blow my mind. I am so grateful for your subscriptions. I really am. So I hope to see you soon, and leave any comments behind that you of anything that you want to learn, anything you want me to cover. Thanks so much, everybody.